In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create page numbers in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, the great thing about Figma is that it allows you to add page numbers effortlessly, especially when working on presentations or multi-page designs. So let's get started with the steps you need to take. The first step is to open Figma and go to your home screen. You can do this by navigating to the Figma website. Once you're there, you'll see all your recent projects and files. Just find that cozy spot and settle in. Next, you'll want to open the project that contains the slides you plan to number. Click on the project to bring up the design files. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're in the right file before we proceed. The third step is crucial. Look for the icon you'll need. This can usually be found in the top menu bar. It's a simple click, but it's essential as it guides you to the right plugin that will make adding page numbers a breeze. Once you've clicked that icon, you'll want to search for the Pitch Deck Presentation Studio. This tool is specifically designed for presentations, making it easier to manage slides, including numbering them automatically. Just type Pitch Deck Presentation Studio into the search box and select it to enable the plugin. Now, let's get into the fun part. Click on the slides you want to number. You can do this one by one, or if you're feeling efficient, you can select multiple slides at once. Just make sure you have all the slides you want to number highlighted or selected. After selecting your slides, look for the icon next to the Sort by Drag and Drop option. This icon often represents sorting or managing your slides. Click on that, and it will open up new options for you. Now, you'll see an option that says Enable Auto Slide Numbers. It's just a checkbox, but it's packed with functionality. Click to enable this feature, and your slides will automatically show numbers according to their order. You should be feeling a sense of accomplishment at this point. Finally, verify that everything looks as you want it. Once you've enabled the slide numbers, take a moment to look over your slides. You'll see that each slide now has its page number displayed, which helps both you and your audience keep track of where you are in your presentation. And that's it. You've successfully added page numbers in Figma. It's straightforward, right? Now you can present your projects with greater clarity and professionalism. If you're excited about what you learned today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I hope this guide makes your design process smoother in Figma. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!